Bloing. They really not answering the phone. Oh my gosh.
You talking about them people?
Yeah, it's all good, man.
All right. I think I added it correctly. Now I get the registration link. Okay. That was easier than I thought. Yeah, I like being this smart. Okay, let me see here.
Now I got birds
There.
outside my window. Kyle, remember when I ain't used to have them issues?
Yeah, I do.
Now I got the big ones though, the seagulls, the ones that like, bah, bah, like the,
One second. Hello. Yes. No, I sent you mines. I emailed you. Give me 1 second. I'll try to send it to you. It don't got me on what? Okay, sorry. I was trying to get Alonde in here. There's Jalen. All right, Jalen, you're going to need this link. Let me go ahead and give you this. All right, Jalen, make sure you sign up for this course. Use that registration link, okay? So, you said what? What did you say, Jalen? Do you know to add a course?
Put it in.
You broke up there. What did you say?
Then I got it.
You got it? Okay. Go ahead and log in and stuff. Monday. So you don't know how to spell my name? Dude, I'm old. Forgot. Okay. And then it's 2827 at gmail.com. There we go. His name popped up. Send an email. All right. He should get that, I think. And okay, so it's 10:14. You got that link already, Jalen. Looks like you're in a different tab again because your screen's frozen. This computer tells on the students every time. Okay, present. And it's gonna take some getting used to. Let me do attendance real quick while this is figuring out what it wants to do.
that my son Alonde? Yeah, that's him.
He made it. Okay, he's gonna do attendance again. Okay, we got Mr. Allen here. We got Jalen. It's safe.
You know, after your class, I'm getting on the game for the rest of my class.
On the game? What you mean on the game?
I'm gonna be multitasking.
I don't think y'all could do that well, but okay.
I promise you, I start multitasking at Miss Frank class.
Oh, okay. Well,
Cause like her stuff be too easy.
that's English class, my man. It's not the same thing. Let's see here. But welcome back to class overall. So you're going to need a registration link to get to Averify, Alande. But first we got to do our norms and stuff. Russia, you ready to take them through that?
Rush got that new house. I'm finna go over there.
Oh, okay. About to visit them?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready though.
All right. Okay, waiting for it to transition. There it goes.
All right, Jalen, you can start us off, Jalen. Donut.
Ain't no donut. I like them though, but ain't no donut. If I base it no, I don't know why my screen is like this.
What it look like? You can't see it? You can't see the norms?
Yeah, but it's just in the corner. Like and then y'all was on
Oh,
like
you might got a pen. Probably got a pen. Tyler.
and then if I do that, that's not working.
For real.
So you
It's
just
like
try to
a
read.
small box.
Yeah, because you got to pin it and unpin it, and if it doesn't work, you go have to refresh your screen.
Yeah,
So
might just got to log out and log back in, right, Tyler?
yeah, I
then
can
that's
read it
worse.
though.
I read like we a read about me.
You gonna read it or what, man? Go
Oh, you
ahead.
can read, read both.
No,
Read both.
Yeah, no one has the right to another person. Education class must sacred who never behave in a way that discredit ourselves at school, at family, at still can student. Oh, hold on.
At the Excel Academy, Southwest students always acts with integrity. We take pride in the Excel Academy of Southwest. We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participate. We are here. Wait, we have high expectations for ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to prepare, to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavor.
All right, cool. So you got the points.
Hey, y'all changed up some stuff. I see.
Oh yeah,
The
the one that
integrity.
said integrity, equity, integrity.
Yeah.
Yeah, they changed it.
Dang. So she really made this a big thing?
Who?
No, I thought this said Townhouse Times. I was gonna say, oh my God.
Yeah, you ain't been to school in a minute, Londa. Yo, anyway, Townhouse GGI Monday through Friday, 11:15. So what we did, Alande, we merged Townhouse and GGI. Instead of it being in the morning, Townhouse is going to be merged during GGI at 11:15. So that's the big change that we did for now. You know, I don't know if it's going to change back, you know, in the future or not, but for now, this is what it is. So as far as this announcement, GGI and Townhouse every Monday through Friday, 11:15 a.m. A lot of beneficial information, you know, giveaways, special guests, all kinds of things be going on. You know, educational topics, just a lot of, you know, points being given out by Mr. Tyler for towards your assignments for participating in GGI Townhouse. Just a lot of great things. So just make sure y'all there and participate. Raspberry Pi kits. If you do not have one, or if something is wrong with the one you have already, please let me and Mr. Tyler know so we can, create a plan, an appointment for you to get one in your hand. It's very important to be able to get out of Mr. Tyler's class and to be successful in his class. You definitely need a Raspberry Pi kit. If you do not have one, please let us know. Let us know. All right, David, you can read this, David.
every Wednesday and Thursday. Learn the code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. The pandemic effect on the coding job market. Why learn the code? The surprisingly broad benefits of coding. Interested? Join by clicking the link. Let's code.
Good job, David. Good job.
Can I get some points? Can I get some
Yeah,
points?
yeah. Welcome back, Jalen. Welcome back.
Yeah, my mama called. That's all.
It's all good. Go ahead. You got it.
Hello, all Spring STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside the SB, you can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. Their videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
All right, Line Day. If you want, you can do this one.
Don't do it. This is old. We're gonna jump right into activity. So
Okay.
All right.
you'll have another opportunity one day. But I think you guys are gonna like what we're doing today. It's a little more fun. It's centered around sports. So I think a lot of y'all are into sports, you know. So let me grab the link for you. I'm gonna fix this up. I knew it didn't save when the computer took, froze up. I was like, this is bad. I want to reboot it. So once they get started, Rush, I'm probably gonna reboot the system.
So you want me to read this right here, or wait?
No, sir. No, sir. Just wait a minute. I'm trying to get you guys the link to class. This computer is just frozen for a second. All right, now you're going to need to go to the platform. Rush, do you remember that link that you gave them to register? How many of you guys besides Jalen have been utilizing EverFi software like Mr. Tillery or so? Do you have an account? Yes, no, maybe. Okay.
No,
That's a no. Okay. All right. What about you, David?
I just said no.
Okay, I couldn't hear you. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put the link in there for where you're supposed to register.
Oh, I was going.
Oh, go ahead and do it because I'm trying to get this this registration code for them. So I'm waiting for you to put it in there, Rush. There we go. You put it in there a bunch of times. It's just like Rush. So click on that link, you guys, and you should see my screen. Basically, there's a part where you put a registration code in. All right. So, right. Okay. So it's not going to let me share that part because I'm already logged in. Let me close that. So I'll put the link in there one more time. And not the link, but the code. You're going to put that in there and set you up an account if you don't have an account already. Jalen, you should have already signed into the class, right? So students, let's see who's in there. Okay. See, he's got future goals, math, science, good. You did both. You didn't have to do both. Just science. All right. So you're in science, right, Jalen?
What you say the barcode is?
You talking about the registration code?
Yeah.
You see the chat feature at 1023. I put it in there. It's a small little. It starts with DB68D. Yeah, that's what you put in there to get to the class. Okay, now classes. And I'm be coming back to see who's joined us. So is everybody in there? I'm gonna check again.
Yeah, I'm at the register thing.
Okay. What about you, David? Did you make it?
Yeah.
Did you get into the class?
My username finna be pick your homie up.
Pick you. Oh boy. Okay. All right. You had to tell us what your username gonna be, but we'll see if you get into class though. Pick your homie up. Okay. This boy. Okay. So So I want to go through the first part, and there is modules you got to finish. Your goal is today to finish modules 1 and 2 before 8 p.m. tonight. You can do this at your own pace, right? You know, some of y'all want to multitask like Mr. Allen. That's cool, as long as you build your time up to, about an hour of practicing on the software, about an hour off. That's how I usually do it. Or playing a game or eating something.
Man, this dumb stuff not even letting me click on
What do you mean?
click on my birthday, like to pick my birthday. It's probably because my password too short.
Okay. Well, take your time.
Well, I don't know. Pick your homie up a lot of letters.
Yeah, that might be it. That might be true. So find a suitable username.
No, I ain't picking that.
Okay.
They gonna look at me.
So if I'm trying to wait before we get started, we just need Alande and David. Jalen, you could just get started. Did you click on the class and just started going through it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not letting me pick like my birthday, bro.
Okay, so share your screen because you sound like you about to get frustrated. Let's see here. Make sure it's on. Share feature. Today's the first day we're using it, so try not to let it get to you. Okay, so share your screen, Alande, so I can see what you got going on. Maybe walk you through it or help you out. I should say pick your homie up or something.
That was a good one.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
I'm waiting. I don't see it yet. It's probably it takes a buffer of 30 seconds or so. But I don't see nothing yet. So you click the share now button. There you go. Something's happening. Okay, now what's the issue?
This right here.
Okay, so you select in June. Okay, so it's probably a glitch. Hold on, it says, what does that say there? It says date of birth
Is required.
Yeah, all right. Do me a favor. Are you on your phone? No, you're on a computer. All right, so refresh that screen real quick. It's probably just a glitch on their side. Yep, continue. Okay, anything? Okay.
I'm just gonna exit out this screen.
Yeah, I was gonna say just close it down because something's goofy right there. And then he just left the meeting. Dang, bro. All right, well, I don't know. Maybe he didn't mean to do that. But David, can you share your screen and see how far you've gotten? Make sure you at least got logged in. Let me check.
I'm on register the code.
Oh, you still putting the code in?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know when you're done because I'm waiting for this list to change to you more than just Jalen. Jalen is in both the math and the science. We were going to talk about math till later on. So, Jalen, have you gotten into the first module and stuff? I know they asked some questions.
I'm doing the about when they talk about the
Blackhawks.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
That's the only team I already know. I'm not really a big fan of hockey.
Well, Friday we're gonna do. You're gonna have to write a report on it. So I'll be paying attention to what they're talking about there. And you just gotta write a nice little essay about what they're talking about, and then you're scored based on how many modules you complete. So, welcome back, sir. What happened? You kind of left in the middle of talking. Did you reboot your computer or something? What happened there? Alande? Oh, okay.
I accidentally X'd out the whole little screen.
Okay, yeah, because I was like, dang, he just left. So are you able to start your screen back up and see if you can put your birthday in?
I need that app again.
Oh, you talking about the link? You talking about the link? Okay, let me get that for you. All right.
Oh,
there you go.
I know what I'm doing now. I'm good. Y'all can just continue.
You say you got it? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put my birthday in first this time.
Yeah, I was gonna suggest you do that, so don't give you no headache. And did you need the registration code again, or are you straight?
I got it.
Okay. All right, so give you guys a couple minutes to work on that, and I'm gonna see how far we've gotten. Again, remember the goal is to at least have modules 1 and 2 somewhat complete. I don't know because I'll be able to check your score from the system. Reports. Let's see how far Jalen's gotten. Science.
Oh my mama, bro.
What happened?
Huh? It let me pick one thing, and it's not let me pick another. This type of stuff make me get frustrated and don't like computers.
Computers are not trying to frustrate you. They're just not as smart as you think they are.
It's me, the one who's supposed to be smart behind the computer.
You are naturally. You're human. So computers only think within a box. Humans are able to think outside the box and all over the place. Okay, I don't see. Okay, so modules. I don't see. See, Jalen, you got to work on prepare the surface and the face off if you can. Those are 2 modules. I'm trying to get you to finish.
Ha! Yeah. Yeah.
Mute yourself, Alante. Yelling.
My fault. She asked me, do I want some breakfast?
Oh yeah, I know you want that. Just mute
And
yourself.
they still saying the same thing. Like,
Okay, okay. Let me see, dude. We gotta figure it out. We can't get
You ain't sharing the screen no more.
huh?
I could.
You ain't sharing your screen. Share your screen.
We might have to go in and just make his account.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna ask. Like, could you just go and make it?
I'm about to. I just want to make sure because I got to report this to him Alande, so we know.
All right, so I see your screen. So let me see. Get off of that, Alonde. Get off of that list. Yeah. So birthday.
Wait.
That's the only thing.
You're using Internet Explorer, right, Alande?
Huh?
Using Internet Explorer. I think that's the issue.
What I'm supposed to use?
Chrome.
Oh.
Yeah, IE usually gives problems.
Yeah, you see the Google Chrome? Yeah, that thing right there.
I'm gonna see if I can make your account though. But I would try to do that from Google Chrome though. You're using IE Internet Explorer through your Google Meet too. It looks like.
I'm using it. I don't know.
All right, well, just copy that link that you use to get there into Google Chrome, and then let's see if you can register that way.
Yeah, paste it up there.
Yeah, grab that link, copy it.
You gotta say what Tyler said. You gotta say, "Come here." When you grab the link, you gotta say, "Come here." Tyler be like,
"You're not gonna let me live that down." I swear.
Yeah, paste it right up in there. Up. In that top
David,
part.
I didn't forget about you, man. I gotta check.
Where at, up here?
See it say search Google. Yeah, paste it right there.
Oh, David's in there. Okay. Let me leave David alone.
Yeah, hit enter.
Okay.
All right, cool. All right, now.
He knows what he's doing. He's moving out now.
All right, cool.
You need the registration code again, or you got?
Nah, I need the link again because I copy and paste it.
I got you. I'm about to put the registration code in the chat.
Okay, thank you, Rush, because I'm trying to look at what David and Jalen's been doing.
You see it?
This is where I needed help at.
It's right there in the chat line there and the Google. There you go.
He put that in his like 8 million times. Let's see here.
Big fee.
Huh?
Hey, look, I'm gonna teach you a trick. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you a trick. Just double, triple click. Yeah, there you go. You good. You got it. You can do that trick next time. But when you go into an issue like that, just double, triple click the little word, and it's going to select only one of them.
All right, now y'all can get up on my screen now.
Is it working though? We try to help you out,
Yeah,
bro.
I make sure you get all the way through.
Looks like it's working for him.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, so just be mindful when you use Internet Explorer. You're gonna have glitches. That's why I have everybody.
Oh, I don't even be on the computer.
But you're about to be more often if you're gonna be in class. You stop sharing though. Try to finish your registration so you can get catch up with us.
I just want my boy to succeed. That's all.
I'm gonna succeed. I don't care if it take another year in school
Okay.
because this ain't me. This computer stuff
This
ain't
is
me.
not you. He said ain't.
Because he don't like being on the computer. He want to be in person.
Oh yeah. Everybody wants to do that, but we all got to get safe first.
We safe, and I ain't taking that vaccine, so I never be
Oh,
safe.
see, it's gonna be hard to come back if you don't take it.
How though? If I'm good, I never caught it now.
Yeah, that don't mean you're not a carrier though. So if I'm not sick and then you got it and don't know you got it, you gonna mess me up.
Well, you gotta go to the hospital.
Boy, see, that's why I went on ahead and got vaccinated already, so I ain't worried.
Oh my God!
Mm-hmm.
You see that lady? She passed out from taking that stuff.
You say what?
That lady passed out from taking that stuff.
Oh, yeah. Hey. I ain't dead yet, so let's see here. Future goals, science.
How you felt after you took it?
Arm is sore, but I'll be all right. Okay, let's see, Jalen. So again, there are modules. Let me show my screen again that you're supposed to be working on. Yeah, I got to go back in April and take the second one. Should I share it that way? I don't want to share it.
Y'all saw what Chicago did?
No, what are you talking about?
We don't want to talk about that menorah stuff if that's what you're talking about.
Oh, okay.
We do not want to talk about that. I don't even want to think about it.
No, I'm saying y'all seen the whole Chicago was just in Miami.
I don't know nothing about that one.
Man, the whole Chicago was just down there, man. They just
and guess what? They're gonna be bringing that stuff right back down with them too.
Mm-hmm. You want the party?
I'm up in this piece.
Good job. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen real quick.
It say future go.
Hey,
Jayla, you just came to our school?
He's somewhat.
Yeah,
He's somewhat. He's been here for a little bit. Since last summer, right, Jalen? I think.
Yeah, I guess so.
He said, I guess so. If my memory serves you correct.
Yeah.
And my boy David, I be talking to them niggas every day.
So you need to see what is this? I think y'all can hear it though.
Yeah, a little.
Work hard toward accomplishing their one goal.
Now.
From eating healthy to putting extra time at the gym. Players' commitment and discipline helps them achieve their goal. Let me introduce you to a few of our star players. Jonathan Taze is the captain and leads the team by giving 100% each and every day. Marian Hossa is one of the best two-way players in the NHL, which means he plays a strong offensive and defensive game. Duncan Keith is one of the hardest workers off the ice, and it shows as he leads the team in minutes almost every night. Brent Seabrook is a big, powerful defenseman who always seems to come through in clutch situations. When the Blackhawks aren't on the road, they like to be involved in the community and teach kids like you more about the game they love. The Blackhawks Get Out and Learn program, or GOAL, introduces hockey to elementary schools by providing equipment and clinics during PE class. The NHL at NHLPA's Hockey Scholar Program brings hockey to the classroom with computer games focused on science, technology, engineering, and math skills. We are excited for you to get started. You are now part of the Blackhawks team. Get ready to tackle the next 4 games with Taze and Keith as we begin Hockey Scholar.
Okay, that's the initial part. Rush, tell me if something acts weird. But,
Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm the head coach, and my name is David Romero.
All right, so I'm gonna skip the tutorial because we don't have a whole lot of time, but I want to get to these modules. So let me do this. And then you got games, play roster. You got these sections, right? So you're gonna start with the games. And these are the modules I was telling you about, right? So I want you to go through most of these modules today before you leave. Does everybody find this screen that's showing you?
I'm looking at your screen.
And eating. I hear the spoon hitting the plate. He ain't thinking about me no more. He's like, yeah, I got you. But these are the modules y'all need to work
Dude,
on.
I gotta press start for future goal math, right?
Right. And you can skip the tutorial after the video's over with, right? And if you look in the middle screen, it says games. You click on games and you see these modules. This is what I'm saying I want you to work on. So David, did you find it? Jalen, y'all found this section?
They're telling me I gotta take a whole survey.
I skipped the survey part, my man. And you can do the survey later though, but the games is what I want y'all to finish up. So the first one is prepare the surface. Wait a minute, I saw Jalen nod his head. Was that mean yes or no? Did you find it?
Yes.
Okay, David, what about you? Okay, I think he stepped away. All right, so I'm gonna click on prepare the surface.
When people first started playing hockey, they played outside on frozen lakes and ponds. In 1875, hockey moved indoors, which meant that teams had to build and maintain indoor ice surfaces. Team members like me, the ice technician, now make sure the ice is perfect for each game.
Okay, and you just go through the modules as slow as you can. Click next.
Now let me skip this.
A lot of work goes into keeping the ice
we'll
surface
just finish
right.
it up and then
To
try
get
to
ready
get
for
it, catch
today's
up with
game,
us.
you'll be in charge of setting the correct temperature for both
Let's do
the
the
ice
survey,
and
Evan.
the surrounding air in the arena. To get started, I have a few questions to see what you already know about ice and temperature. Don't worry if you are not sure of the answer. Just take your best guess.
Okay, participation points time. Rush, you can choose who gets it. He's gonna read a few of these questions off.
Well, Alonde eating, so we're gonna go ahead and give it to Jalen.
Nah, it's my turn anyway. Nah, you ain't gonna do it like that.
Go ahead. I mean, I know I don't like talking while I'm eating, but go ahead. If you can talk and eat, go ahead.
I'm eating a little breakfast sandwich. It's cool.
This boy. You gonna read for us, sir? Or
Yeah. Which of these choices? That right?
Yeah, keep going.
Man, that little thing. Which of these choices? Which of these choices is the smallest unit of matter?
So choose. What do you think it is?
To be honest, I can't even see the vapor. I think that's what they say.
Okay, so I'll give you the four options. They have atoms, molecules, droplets, or vapor.
Vapor.
Vapor? Okay, let's click vapor.
I'm right.
We'll find out how right you are. I mean, I'm doing it on my end.
You know if I'm right or wrong. You can tell
me. You close. So next question.
I'm wrong.
Anyway, so who's next? If not, I'm gonna give it back to Mr. Allen. David, are you still with us? Jalen, how about you?
Hey Tyler. Not to be off topic, right? Not to be off subject. I just want to jump off subject for 3 seconds. He talking about he eating the breakfast sandwich, but he got a spoon hitting the plate.
I know, right? I don't know.
But go ahead.
It sounds like he was eating cereal or something. I don't know.
Yeah, go ahead.
David, are you there? I'm trying to see if this dude stepped away.
That's just the extra sauce.
Yeah,
okay, can you read the screen there?
HO2 and
I was talking about David. Alonde be jumping in. Give him a chance, Alonde. David, can you see my screen or no?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, go ahead and read that for me.
H2O and O2 are examples of atoms.
Mm-hmm.
molecules,
Molecules.
molecules, water, droplet.
Droplets. There you go. All right. I love reading. It helps y'all with your reading skills. So
You know the answer, David? You don't.
Yeah,
I do.
I was about to ask that. So what do you think the answer is, Dave? Oh, Jalen snuck out on me. I was about to get him next. David, which one do you think it is?
Water.
Water?
Yeah.
Okay. So you click water.
That's my son.
That's your son? Okay. All right. Here's the next one. Alande, it's kind of fun looking too. So you can read that, Alande, and then read the answer selections. And after you're done, tell me which one you think it is.
Which of these which phase of the matter has molecules with the highest kinetic energy?
Do you remember what kinetic energy is, right?
I think it's the one that's just sitting there solid.
Okay, so which selection you saying? Solid?
Nah, I want to say it's gas because you see how it's moving though. And that's energy, like that is moving a lot.
Kinetic energy, yeah. Okay, so your final answer is what?
Gas.
Okay. Pretty good on that.
Now you got me looking it up. I ain't trying to talk.
Oh yeah, I'm loving this software. It's pretty cool. All right, so David, you're up. We lost Jalen for some reason. Oh no, there's Jalen. He left. He took your points, man.
That was my Wi-Fi. Cut off.
Oh, Wi-Fi. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I see.
Read that next question for us.
As ice melts into water, the kinetic energy of its molecules. Hold on, I think I know this one.
He said, "Hold on, I think I know this one." So what is it? You got to read all the answers and then tell me which one you choose.
It decreases.
Huh?
It decreases.
So again, he says ice melts into water. The kinetic energy of its molecule decreases.
Yeah.
Okay. That's your final answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You've gone for a little bit, so read this one.
What phrase of matter is displayed in this image? That's gas. No, that's not gas. That's liquid. Liquid phase.
You want to say it's liquid? Okay.
Yeah. I learned this before.
You say you like the bowl? What did you say?
I learned this before.
Oh, you learned this before. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You seem like you know what you're talking about.
That's a liquid.
Yeah, he clicked on liquid. Well, I clicked on liquid for him. Okay, so.
Oh, I was right. Yeah, I was right.
You was right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's go on to the next part.
Great. You'll get to come back to these predictions after we gather some more information about temperature.
All right, let's keep going. I'm literally going through
We'll
game
cover
one
the
with you
basics
guys.
about
What you supposed to
temperature
be doing?
and ice before we get started.
Now, because I'm doing it, it's not going to count towards your score. I'm going to give you in-class points for it. But you guys got to go through and make the right predictions after you look through the module, all right? So let's do this.
When watching a hockey game, you might hear the announcers call the ice fast, slow, hard, or soft. The announcers are referring to the quality of the ice. For example, when the ice is a little bit warmer, the player's skates can more easily dig into the ice when they turn and stop. That's why it's often called slow or soft ice. To keep the ice quality high, it's very important to set the temperature for the ice and the air in the arena correctly. There's a delicate balance between keeping the air warm enough for the fans, but not too high to impact the quality of the ice. To help figure out the best temperature, you'll need to know more about what air and ice are made of. Like everything else, air and ice are both made of atoms, which are the smallest unit of matter. When we combine multiple atoms together, we form molecules. All molecules, whether it's a bunch of H2O or O2, come in different phases or states. There are typically 3 phases of matter that we see in the world: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have fixed shape and volume. Solids, like a table or a computer, are rigid and don't easily change their shape. Liquids have definite volume, but can change shape. For example, if you pour a glass of liquid water into another container, the amount of water, its volume, stays the same, but its shape changes. The water will take on the shape of the new container. Gases have no definite volume or shape. They can change shape, and we can make them take up more or less space, like oxygen inside a balloon. In this experiment, we will be adjusting the temperature to see how it affects the quality of the ice. Let's start by looking at how H2O molecules behave at different temperatures.
All right, that looked like it was cool. Interesting how they set that up. All right, so it's 10:51. You all know what you have to do. You basically, like I said, you got to go through all the games, and they give you a particular score based upon if you can pay attention to, the modules and what the information they give you.
My name's Jamal Maris. I'm a 2013
Oh, he's playing it on his own. Like, what is that? That's him.
I'm here to tell you a little bit about the team. The Blackhawks joined the league in 1926 and have since won 6 Stanley Cup championships, including 3 the past 6 seasons. The Blackhawks work hard toward accomplishing their one goal. From eating healthy to putting extra time at
You start at the very beginning. That's what you're doing, Londa. As soon as the
Right.
video's over,
I don't see where it's skipping at.
You can't skip it. You got to watch that part. It's about 2 minutes though, so it should be all right.
I gotta put this.
All right, so this is the experiment part. This is pretty cool. Right, you're gonna start with some H2O molecules. Alonde, mute yourself for a second. You make us watch it all over again with you. So click on this.
When the Blackhawks aren't on the road, they like to be involved in the community.
We're about to get out of here. So you adjust the temperature. If you see what I'm doing, and I hit the plus, or the minus to do that. So you see the molecules, and this is going back to the questions we were asking. Let's see if Alonde was right. Now this state is what? You get the ice temperature. They said click on it, so I'm gonna hit the plus, the 32. They tell you small clumps of H2O molecules have started to form because they have been melting. Ice is starting to turn into the liquid phase called water. If I hit plus again, it's 122 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's also, in conversion, 50 degrees Celsius. So it says, do you see how the H2O molecules are slipping and sliding past each other? Molecules are in the liquid phase. All right. Let's take it up a notch more. All right. Let's get some points on the board. Who hasn't read yet? Can you see my screen? Okay. I'm going to call on David. You there?
Yeah.
I'll read.
Oh, go ahead, Alonde. I'm going to let him read the townhouse information.
Some of the HO molecules have started to break free of the liquid. Look at how the molecules are moving around above the liquid water. You are seeing the water start boiling. The molecules are moving into the gas phase.
Savage, I knew I was Rizike.
We're going to have some fun with this software in the Alonde. He said savage. All right, so again, let me stop sharing this so we could bring all the resources down. This is pretty much close to the end of class. We're going to talk about the GGI link. I want you to have time to play with this software. Tomorrow, I'm going to be trying to go into game 2, right? So try to finish game 1 today, and I can check the scores. Let me close this. And then Edsby.
Mr. Tyler, you got 2 computers on right now.
Yeah, I've always do. It's called backup. You noticed that, huh? Actually, that's the Raspberry Pi kit. Huh?
I thought that was Mr. Rush.
Oh, Rush got a kit too. I don't know if he got it connected up and stuff, but
yeah, I got them little PC connects.
Little PC connect? What do you mean by that?
The little gaming thing.
Oh, okay.
You know how to make that. When I get rich, Mr. Tyler, I'm gonna have you make me one. I'm gonna pay
Okay,
like
yeah.
30,000.
Like
Make me that.
that's close enough. I can do it for 30,000 almost.
I'm talking about cash money right there in your hand. That's ooh.
He said, "Ooh, okay." I this dude is the same Alande, man. He is hilarious. All right, but no, man, help me out when you get your greatness. All right, so I need David to read what's in the chat. Are you with us? This is the last thing we're gonna do today.
Yeah.
Okay. See where it says townhouse?
Townhouse and GGI is mandatory for all students. Life skill class. Also, there are tons of awesome opportunities that students could take advantage of logging in today and gaining some extra credit for participating. See you there.
Zen. All right. So thank you. I mean, Zen means peace be unto you. Be at peace, my friend. All right. Now, it is 10:56. Once you have more enough time to practice, not practice, but work on these modules. Again, I need to at least see you completed game 1, everything inside of it by 8 p.m. Tomorrow, we're going to focus on game 2.
That's the uncover the ice, right?
I gotta look again, Alande. Hold on. I know the first one was the surface, right? It's like 5 or 6 modules. You might be talking about number 2, right?
I don't know which one I'm talking about, but I know the first game it's told me undercover or something.
Okay. Well, just you
uncover the ice.
Yeah, that's right. That's about the surface.
Yeah.
That's the first game you're working on. And you just did some of it with us. And you got some in-class points. Now you need to just go in and finish the whole section. Okay. So use this time. Everybody will be free to leave at 11:05. If you want me to check your score before you get out of here, if you finish it, I'll check your score and I'll write it down so I can add it to your score right now. But if you need time to finish it now. Finish as much as you can in class, because I know we have lives and people get busy, but try to finish as much as possible in class. So 11:05 rush, you can dismiss them. But right now, work on it. Okay.
No, I was saying, what you mean? Like dismiss them? Like just let them go? Or?
Well, yeah. So they go to GGI. Just remind them to go to GGI.
Hey, you gotta send me the link.
Yeah, I'm about to right now. I'm about to post the link.
Yeah, do that multiple posts like you did last time.
Yeah, you know how I do.
Like a ton of links. What was that? Oh, that was Alante. I'm like, what is that? Jalen, you make any progress, man? And there's a GGI links. Rush is posting it like crazy for you all.
Like, why, man? Like, why you doing that?
You said why he's doing that? He trying to make sure y'all go to GGI. That's why he doing that. I know why he doing it. Y'all be, man. Like, what a line they used to always say, man, you front and you don't move. So 11:05, click on that link and head over, you guys. But use the remainder of this time to finish up. Let me check some scores and see if anybody's gotten done with anything. At least if it gives you scores as you go through it. What am I working on? Okay, here we go. Students. No, it's in reports. That's where it was. He said, you got 2 computers going. Yes, I do, sir. In case one is acting up. Got a backup.
You know, these school computers, but Duke.
Okay.
I sure need to come get another one. I had this one from last year.
Oh, yeah. So it's probably old. You know, when they get old like that, they don't work as fast. I think the certification is when they finish the course, Rush. I think that's what that means.
Oh, okay. Oh, so yeah.
They get certified.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So they probably give them a certificate. That should be cool. Hey, nobody's finished with nothing yet. I'm looking at these scores. David, are y'all at least in the game section? Because you know y'all,
Yeah.
you don't want to be doing this like late at night now. Then you be trying to blame me. I got frustrated. I quit. Can't be doing that, y'all. Finish as much as you can in class, so it's not a headache. And I'm not sure. Is there a way to save your progress as you go through it, or no? Like, you guys able to save your spot or where you left off at? See if that's possible. That's method. I gotta play with that today. Got too many tabs open. Because these are all Everify tabs. I'm trying to play with this thing. I did get the attendance right. Yeah, I got the attendance done. Reset.
Well, y'all got the GGI link, so y'all can get it on up.
Oh, Rush is being generous. Y'all can leave 4 minutes early. Is somebody over there though, Rush? Because I don't want them just waiting in the waiting room, you know.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I think that's how we lose some students too. What is this? I'm done with that. That was for
The area. What is the area? Like, I'm tweaking, man.
When you say area, you talking about the calculation, or what do you mean?
Because it said what is the area of this rectangle, and the calculus that's 12, so it can't be that. Because it's 3 on each side.
Okay, so wait, area of a rectangle though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta look up the formula for the area of a rectangle on Google real quick. Yeah, I could tell you, but I want you to see it for yourself. So I would type in Google, what is the equation for area of a rectangle? Banky has emailed us again. I see. All right. Let's see. What are you asking about, Banky? I already told him that I'm using the coursework. He's trying to remind everybody else to use it. That's what it is. Okay. Yeah, I like the software. It's pretty cool. All right, it's 11:04, everybody. Y'all just hanging out with me. I want you to get over to GGI.
Hold on, I got one more question now.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, you said you got one more question to finish. I thought you had a question to ask me.
No.
Oh, okay. Right now, I need to put the GGI link in all these classrooms so y'all can get there too. Come here. Okay.
Man.
What's wrong now?
The formula is area equals weight plus length. I think WL.
You said WF? What?
WL.
Oh, okay. So length, width, height?
or length, width, like, yeah.
Okay. But did they show you a diagram and stuff? I just wanted you to see it. I think you're right.
Yeah.
Easier when you see it, I think. Where's this GGI link? I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna grab it from over here. Is that the right one? Let's Code. Yeah, that's the Let's Code link. And I gotta ask her if she's doing it today. I mean, tomorrow or not. Because the thing is, she's got to change the slide. I talked to her about that to just one day of the week. She said she still got it listed for 2 days. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. We got that one, that one, that one. Okay.
All right. Today you're going to remove covered sections of the rink to reveal the ice underneath. Before we start uncovering the ice, let's talk about area a bit.
All right, I finished one.
Okay.
So I'm finna go to this GGI. Peace.
All right, man. I'll see you over there, dude. Participate so you can get your 5 to 10 points for today.
I try. I'm still finna do a couple of more questions while I'm up there.
Yeah, knock it out, man. So you ain't got too much to worry about tomorrow.
All right.
All right. I'm gonna shut this room down now because it's 11:07. All right. See you over there, Rush.
All right.
That worked out pretty smooth.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I actually like it. I do like it.